going on, y'all? I wanted to come to you all and give you guys a series, and it's going to be a mini series where I go through each life path number and share with you what each life path number has to offer, what are the pros, what are the cons about the life path number, and things to look out for. I am a numerology fan, enthusiast, whatever you want to call it. I discovered numerology at around 2014, 2015 when I came across numerology and when I was having my spiritual awakening. And I just believe wholeheartedly that numerology is very important, and it helps us understand ourselves on a deeper level. And there's not a time that I go back to my numerology report and I see that there's parts of myself that I overlooked. So numerology, understanding your numerology, not understanding your life path number, excuse me. This is about your life path number, but as a general, numerology is a very vast concept. There's more to numerology than just your life path number. But in this video, I am going to go, and this is the initiation of this mini series where I'm going to explain and share different life path numbers from 1 to 9, 11, 22, and 33, which those 11, 22, and 33 are master numbers. So in this video, I'm going to start with life path number 1. And with life path number 1, I gave them names. I call number 1, life path number 1, the bold leader. The bold leader is the one who cannot take no for an answer in all the good ways, of course. This person, if you're a life path number 1, congratulations, because that means you are here to shake things up. You are bold, you are strong. Use those attributes of your strength and your boldness to get to where you want to be in life, wherever it is, whatever you're passionate about. Apply that boldness and that strength to that thing, because for certain, anything that you touch will manifest into something good. Anything that you touch will turn into gold. So life path number 1 also as well is known for being a good business person. Life path number 1 can be a little stubborn at times, but you have to balance that out, because you have to face it. You don't know everything, and life is here to teach you these ups and downs and everything. So always remember, life path number 1, that you aren't always right, and there's always something to learn from your situations or from other people. Don't put yourself in a small box and say, oh, the only opinion that matters is mine. Yes, at the end of the day, what you believe and what you believe is fact and is true, but also don't be so strong-minded to the point you're not listening to anybody else. So life path number 1 has its pros, where it's bold, it is charismatic, it has its gusto, it has its strength. I think of a major arcana card, the strength card. I think of the strength card when I think of life path number 1. Anything that life throws at you, you are going to kill it. Keep that in mind. That doesn't mean that you're not going to come across any obstacles, but when you do come across obstacles in your life, use that as a motivator to push through, because you have that inner strength in you where you could go to new heights that you have not even thought of yourself. Don't limit yourself. Don't let no one limit you, but also adapt to some wisdom, or gain, or ask the Most High for wisdom in these situations, because you could go, you're not, is a possibility that you may move too fast. So tune into your intuition, ask the Almighty, or tune into your inner balance, that the yin and yang energy. Tap into the peace and calmness. Try to find something that gives you that calmness, because you could always be on 10 and always ready to go. Find somewhere where you could have a inner peace, or maintain an inner peace, so you could balance out your strengths and with the lower energies of being, I want to say the yin and yang of being a life path number 1. So I hope this helped you gain more understanding about who you are, life path number 1. Go out there, Be that person. Oh, and also, life path number one is the one. Life path number one is the originator. So they are most likely to succeed and do things that no one else has ever done before. So if you have an idea, something that you've never seen done before, yeah, do it. Don't think about it too hard. Put a plan together. You're also good at leading. The leader, you're also good at leading groups. So if you have to create some type of community to bring something together, then do that. So number one, even though you're a leader and you're a bold leader, you cannot do it all alone by yourself. So get a community and somebody who can help you get further where you need to be and also be able to take direction. Okay, life path number one, I appreciate you listening. Let me know down in the comments, type 1 if you got this far, and let me know what is it that you like about being a life path number one. If you want to book a session with me, so not only do I reveal your life path number and go in deeper into your life path number, I get into personally what is happening for you in your waking life right now and how can we get you back on track with your purpose. Because life is real, you know. So go on over to deliadivine.com if you'd like to book a session to explore more about your numerology report. Because it's more than the life path number. There's so much more. Anyway, enough of that. Type 1 in the comments. Let me know which attribute of the life path number one that you love about yourself. All right, bye y'all.